So class 3, in my last class in EVS, I have started the topic Indian cultural tradition and customs of India. And last times I made you write the introduction. ये पूरा introduction मैं लिखाया था, ये पूरा का पूरा introduction. Then I made you write language. Then I made you write religion. Okay? तो religion तक हम लोगों ने कर लिया था. आज हम लोग करेंगे food तक. और जिन लोगों ने नहीं किया था, जो एब्सेंट थे, डोंट वरी, उन लोगों का मैं व्हाट्सएप में भेजा दूंगा, वो लोग वहां से कर लें. ठीक है? फिलहाल जो कर चुके थे लैंग्वेज और रिलीजन तक, वो लोग आज फूड से करेंगे. दे विल डू फ्रॉम फूड. नाउ स्टार्ट राइटिंग फ्रॉम फूड फास्ट. देख रहे हो फूड डिपार्टमेंट. डू food. Do from food. Write down food part. सब हेडिंग लिखो, वहीं से कंटिन्यू करो जहां से तुम लोग छोड़े थे. मतलब रिलीजन था, रिलीजन के बाद सब हेडिंग दो फूड, और फूड के बाद लिखना चालू करो. ये रहा. ओके, अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? नाउ आई एम रीडिंग आउट फॉर यू. फूड. Indian cuisine is also influenced by many other countries and reflects the cultural diversity of the country. It is known for its large assortment of dishes and its liberal use of herbs and spices. Cooking styles vary from region to region. Wheat, basmati rice, and pulses with chana, that is Bengal gram, are important staples of the Indian diet. The food is rich with curries and spices, including ginger, coriander, cardamom, turmeric, dried hot peppers, and cinnamon, among others. Chutneys, that is thick condiments and spreads made from assorted fruits and vegetables such as tamarind and tomatoes and mint, cilantro, and other herbs are used generously in Indian cooking. Wait. Food. Indian cuisine is also influenced by many other countries and reflects the cultural diversity of the country. It is known for its large assortment of dishes and its liberal use of herbs and spices. Cooking styles vary from region to region. Wheat, basmati rice, and pulses with chana, Bengal gram are important staples of the Indian diet. The food is rich with curries and spices, including ginger, coriander, cardamom, turmeric, dried hot pepper, and cinnamon, among others. Chutneys, which is thick condiments and spreads made from assorted foods and vegetables, are used generously in Indian cooking. Many Hindus are vegetarian, but lamb and chicken are common in main dishes for non-vegetarians. Much of Indian food is eaten with fingers or bread used as utensils. There is there is a wide array of breads served with meals, including naan, leavened, oven baked flat bread, and bhatura. Okay, that's all. Write down, write down. When you will finish the food part, then I will go for architecture and art part also. Okay. Those I hope all of you are writing. I hope all of you are writing. If food part is finished, then I will go for art and architecture. Finish the food part. Write down, write down. I hope all of you have written food part. I'm moving ahead. Write down, write down. After food, write art, architecture and art. Write down. Architecture and art. The most well-known example of Indian architecture is the Taj Mahal, built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan to honor his third wife Mumtaz Mahal. It combines elements from Islamic, Persian, Ottoman, Turkish, and Indian architectural styles. India also has many ancient temples. Now I'm moving ahead. India is well known for its film industry, which is often referred to as Bollywood. Indian dance, music, and theatre traditions span back more than 2000 years. The major classical dance traditions are Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Odisha, Manipuri, Kuchipuri, Mohiniyattam, and Kathakali, which draw on themes from mythology and literature and have rigid presentation rules. Write down, write down. See, we have many others also we will do later on. आज के लिए we will stop here only till here. Rules तक. Okay. Slowly, slowly we will do. Slowly, slowly. We will stop here at rules today. In our next class, we will start after rules. और जिस लोगों ने नहीं किया है अब तक, मैं उन लोगों को भेजा देता हूं, वो लोग कर लें. And then we will continue after that. More 2 minutes to go. Start writing.
बहुत नखड़ा वाला है, इतना आदमी लोग खाली शर्ट ही पहन.
I hope all of you have finished writing till rules, presentation rules. आर्ट एंड आर्किटेक्चर का प्रेजेंटेशन रूल्स तक खत्म कर लिया आप लोगों ने. बाकी का आई विल डू इन आवर नेक्स्ट क्लास. बाकी का आई विल डू इन माय नेक्स्ट क्लास. I hope all of you have finished. The time is over. Now I have to end my class. Okay, class 3. Now I'm stopping here till rules, presentation rules. और बाकी का हम लोग अपने नेक्स्ट क्लास में करेंगे. ओके, दीज आर लैब. देखो थोड़ा सा और बाकी, और 1-2 क्लास में ख़त्म हो जाएगा. सो मैं यहाँ रूल्स तक रुकाऊँगा, बाकी वी विल डू इन आवर नेक्स्ट क्लास. और इससे पहले का जिसने नहीं किया उन लोग को मैं भेजा देता हूँ, वो लोग कर लें. ओके, चलो. नाउ आई एम एंडिंग माई क्लास हियर.